Hello there, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to design this simple music album cover on your screen using CorelDraw. I'm going to take you step by step on how you can design this music album cover on your screen using CorelDraw. So if you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics, and on this channel I take you through step-by-step tutorial on how you can perform graphic design work and other packages or programs as well. So do well to subscribe by clicking on the red button below and turn on the notification bell in order not to miss any of my future uploads. Without any further ado, let's jump into it. So looking at this, you can see that I have my on your right hand side a few, not much, just a background, and then of course these are the should I say the fonts that I use. So these are the fonts name, so you can go and download these fonts if you don't have. And of course this is the artist that we are going to use, and this guy is my brother anyway. So yeah, it's a beautiful song, sort of Afrobeat rhythm, so you can go and listen to it. It's on all social media platform and of course music platform. So go and listen to it, and of course tell me what you think under the comment section. All right, so without any further ado, like I said, I'm going to, because I normally put this maybe somewhere close by so that we can see what we are doing. All right, so we can see exactly what we are doing and compare. So what we are going to do now is to get the size. So usually I usually come here and then choose, you know, size. We have A3 size, A4 size, A5 size, or whatever size we want. But right now I'm going to do a custom size. I'm going to put the size by myself because I know the size I usually use to design music album cover. So now I'm just going to type 5 by 5. I think 5.4 is fine as well, but I prefer 5 by 5. So I'm going to use 5 by 5. Then you press enter on your keyboard, so you have something like this. Make sure that it's on inches. So if you look here, just look over here, come here, just make sure it's on inches. If your own is either on pixel or point or whichever one, ensure you change it to pixel before you input this 5 by 5. If not, you have a different figure. So now just take it to the center here, somewhere here, and then when you look closely you can see that this background, I'm not going to do anything to the background. It looks great, so I'm just going to, because it's too light, I'm going to dim it a little bit, make it dark a bit, because if you look closely here you can see that it's a bit darker than this. Is too bright. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to effect, I'm going to click on adjust, then come to tone curve here. All right, so once you click on tone curve, you have something like this. So on default, if you leave it on default, you will have the same thing that you have here, so there will be no different. All right, so there's no different here. Okay, there's no different. But if we decide to bring it down from here, you drag it down, you can see that this thing will dim. As you can see, it's going dark a bit. So if you bring it all the way down, you can see that it's going to be very dark. So that we don't want that. So we take it up somewhere like this, like this. This is fine. I think this is fine. So you can just press OK here. So you will have something like this. So this is what we will have. So now I will now bring this, my guy, right the middle here. Okay, just what I did there is to duplicate. So I believe you know how to duplicate. So all you need to do, you click and drag. Once you get to where you want to place it, you right click immediately. Or if you don't have the picture, you can go to export. So this is your export. Click on export, you go to wherever you have your picture, your file, wherever you normally download your stock images, go get it and bring it here. All right, so like I said, this is the artist. So if you look closely, you see that the edge of this thing is not that, you know, okay. Can see that the edge is not okay, so we are going to do something to this edge. All right, so that we can blend the edge. All right, so of course this is not the way the picture was sent to me, so I had to remove the background. So that's why we have the edge like this. So the next thing you are going to do, you come to effect and click on blur and click on feather. This particular one, feather. So once you click on feather, you can see that this is before, this is before. You can see this is before, but if you change it to, if you put it here, you can see that it blends totally into the background here. You can see, if you can see closely, you can see that it blends. So that's how you blend the edge to the background. All right, so now you bring it to the center, like I said, and then use your transparency tool. I told you transparency tool is meant to reveal or hide, so this is your transparency tool. Okay, it's either to reveal image or hide. So we are going to hide down this down part of it and blend it into the background. So all you need to do, you click and drag. All right, just something like this. Look closely down here, you can see that the body, the down part, has been blended to the background. All right, so you have something like this. Okay, once you have something like this, the next thing you are going to do, take it to the center, like I said. All right, okay, you can scale it up a little bit if you want to, but I just prefer the way it is. I think it's fine. So now let's type the, I told you this is the name of the song, Vanilla. So you can just come to your text tool and type Vanilla. All right, Vanilla. So you can make it capital letter. All you need to do is either you use Shift F, I think F3, or you right click on it, select and right click, and then you choose uppercase. All right, so uppercase will give you something like this. Then you come here, because we are going to use this is the font I told you. So you copy these fonts. Okay, copy this font from here. All right, and then paste it somewhere, paste it here. All right, select this and paste the fonts here, so you will have exactly the same fonts. All right, you have the fonts. Hold on for a minute, the system is lagging, guys, so let's just give it a few seconds. While we are waiting for the system to get back, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so that you will be able to enjoy everything we are doing on this channel. All right, don't forget to listen to the song. Say the title of the song is Vanilla, produced by Darby. Of course, Lee Chris is an artist, is the artist that sang the song. So I think we are back. I think it's still, but then we have the font. The font is out, but okay now. So this is the font. So you can now bring it to this place and give it a white color. Just going to give it a white color, something like this. That's not pure white, so click here and choose that's pure white, and then bring it to the center of this, then reduce it. It's too big, and reduce it something like this is fine. Okay, to the center, then take it up a little bit. Okay, I think like this is fine. So if you look closely, you can see that we have black stuff around it, so we are going to add that block. Okay, the block is over here, so that's shadow, but the block shadow, this is it. So you choose the block shadow and then apply block shadow to it. So either you take it up or you bring it down. So I prefer to take it up like that. Okay, so now we have the block shadow, exactly what we have there. So you now type the producer, which is this guy. I'm just going to copy it because of time. So you bring the producer somewhere here. So this is the producer produced by Darby, so you can just place it somewhere here. Just ensure that it's aligned. All right, like I always say, align your stuff, guys. Try and align your stuff. Okay, we are going to use white throughout, all right, to blend. So we are going to use white. So you just type the name and bring it here. Okay, type the name and bring it there somewhere here. So the name of the artist is what we have here, so you can just place it here. Okay, just type the name of the artist and bring it here and drop it there. And then these are more like the social media handle. Okay, and leave the social media handle somewhere here. Okay, I believe you know how to create this. So I mean, some of you will still ask me, how do you get this? So if you want to create Facebook or whatever, all you need to do, you come to this that's Facebook icon and come to your ellipse tool, click on your ellipse tool and draw a circle, a perfect circle, and then give it white color, remove the outline, and then you can now type come here and type F. All right, and then bring it to the center. Type F and bring it to the center. You can expand it, resize it the way you want. You can give it bold. Okay, and bring it to the center. Just scale it up like that. So you can select the two, select this F and select this circle, and come here and click on trim. Where is trim? Okay, use trim. So once you trim it, so you will have something like this. So wherever you go, you don't need this F any longer. So you can always take it anywhere you want because the F is already there. And then the Facebook will always come up by itself. The F will always pop up by itself. So you can take it anywhere you want. All right, so that's how I was able to get this. So the same thing with Instagram. So you can just draw a normal rectangle like this. Draw a rectangle. Okay, and then use this arrow and drag like this. Let me give you the white outline so that you can see. So now come here, use your shape tools. Shape tools, I told you, is meant to manipulate objects. So use it and just make it like, you know, as you can see, it's going. We are just press the knot. This thing is called knot, and then drag to give you that Instagram shape kind of a thing. So you can just draw a circle in the middle of it, something like this, and give it white outline. All right, bring it to the center of it. And then of course you draw another one, just a small one, and give it white. All right, so you have something like similar like that, right? So it's not difficult. So you go ahead and do that, and then use it to type the name of this artist and then place it very nicely. Okay, so that's how we were able to create this music album for this artist. So tell me what you think under the comment section. I'll be very happy to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.